Someone has already been in the bag.
Yeah, my brother. Hey y'all, this is Zoe and welcome back to my channel. And today, me and my mom are continuing our holiday decorating series. And today we're doing our Christmas candy bar. So this is a 3-part series. So if you haven't seen my other 2 videos, put them up here so you can check them out. So today we are doing the Christmas candy bar. And it's kind of dark in here, but we're going to try to lighten it up a little bit and try to get some brightness and spruce it up some. So let's get started. So I want to kind of get a little bit closer so y'all can see. But we have this cabinet right next to our table, our dining area. And we have these 2 shelves here that we're going to do our candy bar on. We have these nice clear containers that my mom is going to fill with some, what do you call those things? Filler. And we have gingerbread houses, aren't they cute? And we have all different types of candy, you know, like the Werther's caramel and some mint, our sleigh. Most of the stuff we're going to try to use, but some stuff may not be used. So, you know, like the coffee caramel candies, the Andy peppermint, chocolate kisses, pretzels, the Ghirardelli peppermint bark squares, our Lindor truffles. We have our filler here. And that's everything I will be using. Alright y'all, so my mom has this red and white filler that she's going to use in the bottom of this container. She's going to do like a red and white candy cane type pattern. So we're going to see how this is going to work. And when she finishes doing all of that, we're going to add the peppermints on top. So this is what it's looking like so far. We're going to test this out and see what it looks like.
Not bad.
That's cute. I like that. So we got these micro lights from Dollar Tree.
Yes.
They were $1 and they're really cute. So that's what we're going to put behind this shelf right here. I'm going to kind of figure out how to place them so they're kind of not just in the way. Alright, so we're going to finish filling up all of our containers with our candies and stuff, so thanks. I'm going to put these little holiday pretzels. Where'd you get these from?
Dollar General?
Dollar General. And I want to put them in this one right here. So. I remember having these like a while ago. Didn't you buy some of these?
Mm-hmm. I'm putting them in a covered container that way they can stay fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. And then we have our peppermint bark squares. Mom loves these. peppermint bark. And then our Andes mint chocolate candy. And it's like an assortment of what is that? Kit Kat, York peppermint patties, and all type of stuff. That smells good too.
I like that one right there.
So like these, I've never seen these before.
Yeah, this is the first I've seen.
Yeah, but it's cute packaging though.
Yeah. York.
And the York peppermint patty.
Woohoo!
I always remember the commercials are always so dramatic. And then we have our Werther's coffee and caramel candy.
Someone has already been in the bag.
Yeah, my brother was here for Thanksgiving and he probably already had about 20 of them.
Okay. And these ones we had already started filling these up.
We have some the Grinch chocolate kisses. You're a mean one.
Yes.
It's always good to have extra. If you have extra chocolate kisses too, so whenever you run out, just refill them. Especially if you have like company and go over. Alright, see? So we have this cute little sleigh here that we're gonna put our Lindor assorted truffles. I think it's dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate.
We'll probably buy some more because these go quick too.
Yeah.
They don't last.
Okay. Alright, so we're about to finish up and we're about to place all of the candy. I'm going to show y'all the top layer and the bottom. Now do some close-ups.
Walking alone, humming a song, can feel the cold with you beside me. Over there, isn't it lovely? Ooh, winter breeze won't bother us, no. Take the path and feel the warm glow. Gentle white against the green, falling down on you.
Alright, you guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video today. And this is our final look of our Christmas candy bar. If you do try this at home, let me know in the comment section below. And this is also the end of our 3-part series of the Christmas decorating. We did our hot cocoa and desserts bar, our decorating of the mantle, and our Christmas candy bar. So stay tuned for more videos coming out. We will be doing a Christmas cookie baking video, which will probably be close to the end of December, because we normally do them like a couple of days before Christmas. And I want to wish y'all a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
It's snowing again. Look over there.